Welcome back to the channel. Have you tried to expand your C drive but noticed that the extend volume option is grayed out, or Windows simply won't let you extend the partition? This is a common issue when there's no unallocated space next to the C drive, or a recovery partition is blocking the expansion. In this video, I'll show you practical solutions to fix it step by step. Solution 1. Merge non-adjacent unallocated space to C drive. Step 1. Install AOMEI Partition Assistant and run it. In the main interface, right-click C drive and choose Advanced Merge Partitions. Step 2. In the Merge Partitions interface, choose Unallocated and C, then click OK. Step 3. Here you can preview the operation. Click Apply and proceed after confirming it. If you don't have unallocated space to use, you can use the following method. Solution 2. Allocate free space from D drive to C drive. Step 1. Install AOMEI Partition Assistant and run it. Right-click D drive and choose Allocate free space. Step 2. In this window, set the amount of free space that you want to allocate from D drive and select C drive as the target drive. Step 3. You can preview the result after allocating free space to C drive. After confirming, click Apply. Proceed to carry out the operation. And that's how you can fix the unable to extend C drive problem in Windows. By properly managing partitions, you'll be able to expand your system drive and avoid running out of storage. Thank you for watching here. See you in the next 2 videos. If you have any questions, please leave a comment or send us an email.